Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you're good. I'm having a great day. I just got back from Hobby Lobby, my Hobby Lobby, because earlier in the week I was at a different Hobby Lobby that was 30 some miles away from me, because me and Scott did a road trip, and I found some goodies that day. Well, I went to my Hobby Lobby today and checked out if they finally clearance there, and they did. First thing I'm going to show you is I got some modeling paste, originally $37.99 down to $9.49. Couldn't let that stay there. Nope. And I found some more brayers. I wish they had more than one, but they only had one of the 2-inch brayers for $1.99. And then I found the 6-inch brayer for $1.99. I picked up 2 of those. And the other day, these are the ones I got, and they were the 8-inch. So, yeah, brayers, but hang on a sec. What do you have brayers? You need a jelly plate to use, right? On a brayer, pretty sure. Check this out. The 12 by 12 jelly plate. Originally $34.99. $13.99. I bought 2 of them. And Sabrina picked one up for me, so technically I have 3. But that's okay, because I have grandchildren, and I've been meaning to get another 12 by 12 for the grandkids anyways. But in the near future here, I will be doing a giveaway, and a jelly plate and a brayer is going to be the giveaway. So you guys better come back. There'll be an announcement. This is just a preview of what will be in the giveaway. Just so you can keep the eyes open for that giveaway. It's my celebration of hitting 2,000 marker. But you have to do something tantric. Oh, also, I came down an aisle and I saw these poster tablets. They were originally $5.99 down to $1.49. And I thought the grands would like these. Especially Allie. They have this. Look at that. Isn't that an awesome butterfly? And they're good paper. And this one I thought was really cool because to me it looks kind of native. My grandchildren are native, and I thought maybe when Diamond and Sam are on vacation, and then the grands come here for Nana and Papa vacation, as they've been calling it, they can maybe color, and we can put them in a frame somehow for Sam's man cave, because Sam's man cave is all native decor, and so I thought this would look cool down there. So we got the dolphin. Oh, did I show you see, we got the butterfly, we got the eagle, a dolphin, a turtle, and this is Sam's the turtle clan, so that would be real cool. We have a monkey, a tree. It's like the tree of life, kind of. No, it's upside down for some reason. There we go. Let's put it this way. We have the seahorse, a roadrunner, the bear. I might do that one just for Coda. A penguin, and that's it. And it got this nice plastic coating so you can kind of put in between. Then I also found this one. I thought, oh, what the hell. Originally $5.99 down to $1.49. This is poster 10 designs. So we have the sun, a mosaic, as I think it's called. Just give something for the grands to do. Or who knows, I like coloring myself. Ooh, look at the dream catcher. See, that's another one I thought would look cool. Colored by one of the kids for Sam's man cave. USA. I think it's a butterfly. And that's it on those. So I thought those were kind of cool for that price. Now, let's see. And the next bag I got. No, I'm not done. Bought some mixed media tablets. Originally $10.99 down to $2.74. So I grabbed 2 of them. They had a lot of these, but I just bought a lot of paper the other day, but not only got one like that, so I grabbed that. And they had a lot that size. I love this paper, so this is one of my favorite paper. So got this one. Originally $16.29 to down to $4.07. And this is, I love this paper. I use this. This is what I use, guys, right here. So they only had three left, so I grabbed the 3 they had. Okay. Next page. Oh. Okay. Alrighty. And here's another paint. Now I'm gonna get it all. Alright. The other day I bought 2 of these, so I picked up 2 more, and it was originally $5.99 down to $1.49, and they actually had the purple today. They only had 3, $1.49. And then they had this, and it's parchment for $1.49. I grabbed them too. Then I got Coda, a little set of paints like I got the girls the other day. So I grabbed 1 more of those. And Coda Bear, they each got 1 now. Now, the other day, I was able to find the blue and like purple. Today, I picked up another purple. I picked up another blue. But, oh, there's another purple paint. Thought I grabbed 4 of those. Okay. I got I guess I would say pink or red. Okay. And I also got the, I guess, flesh tone you'd call it. And this color. Are these the same? Did I grab the same color? I did. No, wait a minute. Nope, I did not. We got golden brown. Oh, this is a golden brown. Okay. Okay, it says right on here what they are on the tip. Dark red blend, golden brown, fair skin, true blue, and hydrangea. And that's it, guys. That is my Hobby Lobby haul. Go check out your nearest Hobby Lobby. Got a lot of good sales if you're in the art media realm. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Look for the details of my, it's going to be a challenge / giveaway, by the way. Coming up, I'm going to do that video and put it out today. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.